Hi, excuse me. Do you mind if I sit here? It's pretty crowded today.
Oh, sure, go ahead. No problem at all.
Thanks. Nice to meet you. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. I'm Sarah.
How are you today, Sarah?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and it's not too hot. Perfect weather for waiting outside.
I agree. I like this weather. It reminds me of spring in Spain.
Oh, you're from Spain? That's interesting. I've always wanted to visit Spain.
Yes, I'm from Madrid. It's a lovely city. There are many museums, parks, and old buildings.
That sounds wonderful. What do you miss most about Spain?
I miss the food. I love paella and tapas. Paella is a rice dish with seafood or meat. Tapas are small plates of different foods.
That sounds delicious. I'm from Canada. Our food is different.
What kind of food do you have in Canada?
We have poutine. It's fries with cheese curds and gravy. It's very popular, especially in Quebec.
That sounds interesting. Is it hard to make?
No, it's easy. You just need fries, cheese curds, and gravy. You can make it at home.
Maybe I'll try it someday. What brings you here, Sarah?
I live here now, but I'm waiting for the bus to go downtown. I'm meeting a friend. What about you?
I'm here to study English. I want to improve my language skills for my future.
That's great. How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning for 2 years. I started in school and now I take extra classes at a language school.
Your English is very good for 2 years. You must work hard.
Thank you. I try to practice every day. I watch movies, read books, and talk to people in English.
That's the best way to learn. When you use the language all the time, you get better faster.
Yes, I think so too. What do you do, Sarah?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school. I love helping students learn.
Oh, really? That's perfect. Maybe you can give me some tips for learning English.
Sure, I'd be happy to. One tip is to use English every day. For example, think in English or write your shopping list in English.
I try to do that. I also keep a journal in English. I write about my day.
That's a good idea. Writing helps you remember what you learned.
Do you have any other tips?
Yes, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Everyone makes them, even native speakers.
That's true. Sometimes I feel shy when I make mistakes, but I know it's okay.
Exactly. Just keep practicing and you'll feel more confident.
Thank you for the advice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Teaching is fun. I meet interesting people and I help them reach their goals.
That's nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going for walks in the park. I also like cooking.
I like reading too. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's a story about justice and kindness.
I've heard of it. Is it good?
Yes, it's a classic. It's powerful and makes you think. You should read it.
I will. My favorite book is Don Quixote by Miguel de Cervantes. It's a Spanish story.
Oh, I know that one. Is it about a man who thinks he's a knight?
Yes, exactly. It's funny and deep at the same time.
I'll add it to my list. Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I like playing soccer and listening to music. Soccer is very popular in Spain.
I've heard that. Do you play a lot?
I used to play every weekend with my friends in Madrid. Now I play sometimes here.
That's nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music. My favorite band is Coldplay.
I like Coldplay too. Their songs are so catchy. Do you have a favorite song?
Yes, I love Yellow. It's beautiful. What about you?
I like Viva la Vida. It has a great energy.
That's a good one too. Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I love cooking. I try new recipes from different countries.
That sounds fun. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making Italian pasta, like spaghetti carbonara. It's creamy and delicious.
I love pasta. Maybe you can teach me how to make it.
Sure, it's not too hard. You need pasta, eggs, cheese, and bacon. I can show you sometime.
Great, thank you. Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family, just my parents and one sister. We're very close.
I have a big family. I have three brothers and two sisters.
Wow, that's a lot of people. Is it noisy at home?
Yes, sometimes we argue, but we love each other.
That's what families are like. Do you miss them?
Yes, I do. But I talk to them on the phone every week.
That's nice. Keeping in touch is important.
Do you travel a lot?
Yes, I've been to many countries in Europe and Asia. I love exploring new places.
Which country did you like the most?
I love Japan. The culture is amazing and the food is so good. I went during cherry blossom season.
I want to go to Japan someday. What was your favorite part?
I loved the temples in Kyoto and eating sushi in Tokyo. The people were so kind too.
That sounds wonderful. Have you been to other places in Asia?
Yes, I've been to Thailand and Vietnam. Both have beautiful beaches and tasty food.
I'd love to travel more. I've been to France and Italy.
Nice. What did you think of France?
I loved Paris. The Eiffel Tower is so pretty, and the museums are full of art.
Paris is romantic. What about Italy?
Italy has great food and history. I visited Rome and Florence. I saw the Colosseum.
That's amazing. Did you eat a lot of pizza and pasta?
Yes, and gelato too. I had gelato every day.
I don't blame you. Gelato is the best.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak French and a little Spanish. I learned Spanish in school, but I'm not very good.
I speak Spanish and a little French. Maybe we can help each other.
That's a great idea. We could do a language exchange. You help me with Spanish and I help you with English.
Yes, let's do that. What are your plans for today?
I'm meeting a friend for lunch downtown. We're going to a cafe. What about you?
I have an English class this afternoon. I'm excited to learn more.
Good luck with your class. I'm sure you'll do well.
Thank you. What are your future plans?
I want to take a break from work to travel more. Maybe I'll write a book about my trips.
That sounds exciting. What would your book be about?
My travel experiences and the lessons I've learned from different cultures.
I'd read that. My future plan is to finish my English studies and work in an international company.
That's a smart goal. English will help you a lot in that job.
I hope so. Oh, do you like movies or TV shows?
Yes, I love the TV show Friends. It's a funny show about six friends in New York.
I've watched Friends too. I like Chandler, he's so funny.
Chandler is great. I like Phoebe. She's so different.
Yes, she is. Do you watch other shows?
I like The Office. It's a comedy about people working in an office.
I haven't seen it yet. Is it good?
Yes, it's very funny. You should watch it.
I will. What about movies?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. It's about hope and friendship.
I've seen it. It's so good. My favorite is Inception.
Oh, Inception is amazing. It's confusing but exciting.
Yes, I love it. Well, the bus is coming. I should go.
Me too. It was really nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Maybe we'll meet again.
I hope so. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.